So we'll go through this right now. Spotify is trading right about 65, 70 cents. Here's the big thing for us. Much like we went through last week with, remember when we went through iRobot and on the put side, the put calendar, all of the premium that was left in there? Same thing with Spotify right now. Okay, there is $3 of premium left in our short option. Okay, so we should be able to really do nicely on this. What we want is the stock really just to kind of sit still. Okay, we really just want the stock to hang right around the 130-ish area. Okay, so we will come back to that one. That is working very nicely at this point. Okay, Boeing, a little bit of a rebound for us. That's good.